Well, Happy New Year, guys and gals. It's a beautiful day here in Dodge Center. Look at the sun up there, nice and bright. Woo! Bright. Blow your eyes out. Well, how's this for a Happy New Year? When my wife and I got home from church yesterday, this is what we were greeted with as we drove in our driveway. That's what was our mailbox stand. The amazing thing to me is that the mailbox was sitting over here, and it wasn't damaged at all. It got knocked off the top without being damaged, but the pole is bent over pretty radically, as you can see, and the mounting plate for the mailbox is bent pretty well. And of course, this is New Year's Day, so nothing is open. And it's 11 below zero right now while I'm doing this at about 9 o'clock in the morning. And I'm getting cold. I'm going to go back in because I'm not dressed for it yet. Oh, here's my other thing. This is this used to look like this. This happened about 4 days ago. My son was watching the other one so he wouldn't run over it, and he backed right over this one and bent it all up. Broke the light off and everything. I'm probably not going to fix that one today. Well, hi guys and gals. I got the heat on in the garage. It's now only 7 below zero now. This is a little after noon time. I waited till it warmed up a little, and you can see my mailbox. Not in bad shape. There's no dents or anything in it. It's amazing. All it did was it ripped out the bolts that I had bolting it in place, so I'll have to redo that, but that's not a big problem. So I have my heater going to warm up my gloves. Turn this around, get this over here so it'll get thawed out a little bit, and I'm going to set up my Sawzall, grab an extension cord, and we're going to head out into the cold and get that pipe cut, and then we'll be back in the shop. Hold on to your hats, here we go! Wouldn't you know it, my extension cord is about a foot too short. So I'm going to have to get another little piece. I didn't want to use my long one because I lose more power that way. I'm trying to cut it level. Well, it ain't perfectly level. But if I cut this square now, it'll be close to what I need it to be. It ain't going to get welded on there because this is twisted too. So, well, let's take this back into the shop and straighten it out. so we've got it chucked up in the vise here. Let's see if I can straighten this out without heat first. I don't think I need these crutches like that back now. I'm not sure if we can fall out. 2 minutes, I have gas, my work, huh? We can work on this. Well, I know. Warm, I think back off. Get there, slow but sure. We'll get there. Oh, too close. A little more. Back here and there. Okay, it ain't perfect, but it might be close enough. I'm going to cut the bottom off on its square. I'm going to cut this square. We'll take it back out and see what it looks like outdoors. And part of the problem is we got way too much cord because it's going all the way up there to the house. You know what I'm saying? I can't hardly see because it's so bright out here. Yeah, but the cord's going all the way up to the house. So that's not a good thing for any welder, for any piece of equipment for that matter. Move you back a little bit more here. Probably keep getting in your way. Try to stay out of your way as much as possible, but you will understand I've got to get this done. You know what I'm saying? Got to get it done. perfect. It ain't pretty. Yuck. Just add a little bit of railroad bling to it. How's that? Let me get my cords untwisted here. Barely on it. Burn it again. That's it. Of course, more. Wait, I'm all. Probably wait off. Change the do free. And definitely do some mailbox in place. Well, it's on there. It's going to get water down in there. I suppose I should fill that up with silicone. That's probably what I'm going to do. Okay. Solid enough for now. I'll bring you back when we get the thing mounted on there. Well, there it is, guys and gals. I thought I had the camera running when I put the mailbox on, but obviously I didn't. But I ain't taking it off to demonstrate. She's all done now, and I'll take you up a little bit closer so you can see what we did around the bottom there. It ain't pretty, like I said before. It ain't pretty, but it'll do the job. The welder had all it could do to burn in. I had it on max. Of course, it's just a cheapo Harbor Freight flux core, but it's got it up there so it's solid, and hopefully the mailman won't complain too much, because it is lower than it was before for sure. Very definitely it is lower, but I think it'll do the job. And now, with your permission, I'm going to go in. It's a beautiful day here, January the 1st. There it is, nice sunshine, nice blue skies. Yep. This wasn't what I had planned to do, but you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to make it work. Bye for now.